This tutorial is on how to set up the ASX Gym development environment. First, install Python Develop Environment. For a data science project, Anaconda is recommended. You can download Anaconda from anaconda.com. Then we can clone ASX Gym repository from GitHub. After that, we need to download the SQLite database, which contains 10 years of ASX stock data. This may take a couple of minutes. While waiting for database download to finish, we can create a conda Python environment. Use conda create command. Choose Python version greater than 3.6. Use conda activate to activate the virtual environment. And use pip install or requements.txt to install required Python packages. Move downloaded db.sqlite3 to ASX_gym directory. The downloaded SQLite database contains 10 years ASX stock data till May of 2020. You can then use update stock data script to get recent stock data. Finally, try to run the simulation scripts, which use a built-in agent to do the stock exchange simulation. If you can see the candlestick screen, then you are all set for the ASX Gym development environment.